Ethereum's barely holding on to 1100. Bitcoin's barely holding on to 16,000. We are still seeing the ripple effect from FTX's collapse. And there's more to come. So, morning. Welcome to the crypto market summary, where we're keeping a finger on the pulse of crypto, NFTs, and shitcoins markets by taking a look at the news and macro environment. Just looking at, we were steadily range bound there after that last dump. I mean, is what it is. Since the 9th, so most of November, I would say. After around the 1200, and then we're seeing some pretty big red wicks down, red candles down. Why? Well, I think there's a couple reasons. One of the popular theories is that the FTX hack that happened once FTX collapsed. There was a hack that was taking all the Ethereum off their wallets, and it was about to the tune of $500 million. Was actually the Bahamian government asset seizure. So FTX's headquarters are located in the Bahamas, and they filed for bankruptcy. And so one of the leading theories is that the Bahamian government took that $500 million. And so what are they doing with it? There's a lot of people tracking those wallets, which is the nice thing about crypto, is we can see kind of what's going on. It's not with 100% clarity, but Kamikaze always has Kamikaze always has a bunch of good threads. But basically, this is November 20th, so yesterday, and then a little bit, I think, basically 10,000 ETH has been dumped in the past 15 minutes, 185,000 ETH remaining on a low liquid day. So Sunday is typically like a lower volume type of day, and obviously not seeing that in the last little bit, but what's going on is they started dumping their ETH. So Kamikaze showed that they're dumping their ETH. This was a while ago, a day ago, forever ago in the crypto space. And, people started panicking. You could see some big dips in the price of Ethereum. And now there's some more coming on. So where are we at here? So we got Mr. Whale, whalechart.org, 10,000 ETH dumped so far in the past 15 minutes. That was 2:45, so that was 4 hours ago. 185,000 ETH remaining in his main wallet. Is that the Bahamian government? Nobody knows. So, that's why we're seeing a little bit of downward pressure on the price of Ethereum. So play accordingly. Kind of tough to see what the end goal is here, but just got to be careful. There's a lot of stuff going on, And then on top of that, there's a lot of talk about this grayscale. There's some weird company structures, not as weird as FTX's, which I'll post a video over here, be like right about here. And Grayscale, so Grayscale won't show their proof of reserves, citing securities concerns per the block. Okay, kind of sketchy. Lots of weird stuff going on there. So DCG company with Digital Coin Group owes 1.1 billion to Genesis. We have another video on Genesis that via a previously undisclosed promissory note that has been hidden from potential investors. Now we know that DCG is doing a $1 billion raise and is getting rebuffed. Grayscale assets are the only assets receiving any meaningful interest. So Grayscale has a whole bunch of Bitcoin. Yeah, it's all a mess. You know what? There's a lot more to talk about than in a quick 5 minutes here for the morning. So people are they're saying that the companies are changing their the board of advisors page. They took it off. Now it's 404 not found. Throwback to DCG. Why did you delete your about page? Anyone else think this is super suspicious? So looks like they're starting to distance themselves from what's going on. And I'm just going to follow that up with a little bit of, words of wisdom here from DC Investor. Do not give up on demanding that off-chain crypto custodians should publish cryptographically whatever the hell that word is, verifiable proof of reserve information. It's the very least they should do, even though it alone does not guarantee fund safety. Let's make it the industry norm. We cannot rely on any regulator to hold centralized crypto entities accountable. We're going to be seeing this for a little bit. There's going to be some ups and downs and ups, and that's kind of where we're at. But now that we've kind of gone through a little bit of the high level stuff, let's take a look at the crypto market summary. If you like the content, don't forget to hit subscribe. Much appreciated, guys. I'm going to jump over and transition into this little beauty and taking a look at some of the prices. So red might confirmed, everything's down. We're gonna maybe break 16,000 ETH. Solana is dying. Matic is good purchase price again. Market cap, we're almost under 800 billion. Ouch, 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 ouch. What's going on in the world of shitcoins? Not a lot. We are hurting. You know, a lot of people are hurting. That's not good at all. What do we got in here? We need Donald Trump to tweet. World Cup, bunch of stuff. Nothing too much here. The little chainsaw pattern, sawtooth pattern down here is kind of not doing its thing, is it? It's just doing it on a smaller scale. What do we see now? Let's get into marketplace volumes. This is going to be painful, I bet. 206,000 SOL. Still only 2 million. What are we at with them? They only look at all these red 10-day moving average. Ooh. Not doing good. Not doing good. Well, if we're trying to keep a tab on the crypto market to see when the next boom is, I'm going to go ahead and say that it's not right now. That's for sure. I mean, it doesn't take much to see all this red. This is a 10-day moving average over here. See, tough to see. 10-day moving average of NFT marketplace volumes. And we're just taking a look at each one of these. And did we hit 12 million? We barely hit 12 million. That is painful. We shall see. We shall see. Bond yields. Nothing's changed. ENS, I already went through the whole gripper and ripper. Put her in there. What are we seeing? Went through this. Put that in there. What are we seeing? Pain. Bored Apes back under 60 ETH. Mutants coming down. Almost hit 12. Other side deeds. Oh, wow. They came back up, hey? Good purchase. I know one of the followers bought one just under, I think, around 1 ETH. Clone X coming down after pump. What are we seeing? Jenny's kind of holding tight. They don't fluctuate that much. VX's. Rug radio. Someone bought 100 rug radios. That's pretty cool. And that's what we're seeing. So don't hold on to your hat too hard if you're looking for the crypto boom. It's not here yet. But we'll know when it does. Ciao for now.